We're a group of people of diverse callings and walks of life who originally were members of the People's Democratic Party. And we sourced ourselves through the National PDP WhatsApp platform group. We had hardly met ourselves as individuals directly, but it was based on our various entries and contributions and comments, in relation to discussions on the platform which we harvested to say that these are the people who have shown dedication and commitment to the cause of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, men who are willing to take a bullet for you. Whether you have commissioned us or not, we are prepared to float and sink with you. And that is why immediately after you left, in quote, the PDP, we all elected to also leave the PDP and follow you. Because for us, Atiku Abubakar is our political.
This, our leader, a mentor, a man of resonance, a visionary, has a very clean record.
Personally, I see you as a man that God has prepared for Nigeria at the most auspicious time. A time when the nation will look back at years of poor leadership and give thanks for a leader who not only was ready to serve, but also delivered progress, unity, and patriotic zeal. A leader who restored Nigeria to greatness and rekindled the belief of her citizens in the promise of their nation. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Surprisingly happy that this is your first physical meeting. It's just unbelievable that a group of young men and women, could be this organized just through the media, through the new media. Yeah. So we thank God for this new technology, and we also appreciate your contributions in the evolution of what we hope and pray will be the emergence of a better, more responsive government in this country.